Number 1. Decluttering mail. Do you find your home with unwanted mails? An effective lazy habit to maintain a clutter-free home is to designate a recycling bin right at your entrance. As soon as you walk in, toss any unnecessary mail or papers into the bin. This not only streamlines the process, but also helps you get rid of the 80% of items that usually end up unused. Number 2. Shoe bin at the front door. Say goodbye to the constant battle with scattered shoes at the entrance. Invest in a simple wire bin placed strategically at the front door. Encourage everyone in the household to toss their shoes into the bin. It's a lazy girl hack that not only declutters, but also adds a touch of order to your living space. Number 3. Hidden storage furniture. Make your furniture work double time by investing in pieces with hidden storage. Ottomans, footstools, or any furniture that combines functionality with storage are your go-to lazy hacks. These items not only serve their primary purpose, but also help you tuck away items, keeping surfaces clear and clutter-free. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Number 4. Ottoman as a coffee table. Are you tired of your coffee table turning into a chaotic collection zone for various items? Consider replacing it with an ottoman. Using an ottoman as a coffee table magically eliminates the perpetual clutter that tends to accumulate on open surfaces. This lazy girl hack involves a simple furniture swap that can make a significant impact on the overall tidiness of your living room. Number 5. Blanket basket in the living room. A small living room can quickly transform into a mess, especially with kids around. So get a stylish basket and designate it as the designated spot for blankets and pillows. This not only keeps your living room looking tidy, but also makes the cleaning process a breeze. Just toss everything into the basket, an instantly cleaner and less cluttered space without much effort on your part. Number 6. Bag switching with an inside bag. Do you frequently switch bags and end up with a cluttered mess? Opt for a lazy yet effective solution. Use a smaller inside bag. Keep your essentials, like keys and wallet, in a compact insert that you can easily transfer between bags. This simple trick ensures that you no longer have to deal with the chaos of switching bags while keeping your belongings organized and accessible. Number 7. Acrylic bins for kitchen spices. Navigating a cluttered spice collection in the kitchen can be frustrating. Enter the lazy girl solution, acrylic bins. Invest in these clear containers to curl your cooking and baking spices. Categorize them based on your needs. Cooking spices in one, baking spices in another. Not only does this make finding spices a breeze, but it also imparts a neat and organized look to your pantry. Number 8. Personal coffee mug. Cut down on kitchen cabinet clutter with a simple lazy girl habit. Designate a personal coffee mug for each household member. Having your dedicated mug reduces the need for an assortment of mismatched cups. It also encourages responsibility for cleaning and maintaining your designated mug. As a bonus, invest in quality mugs like the Yeti brand, which keeps your coffee warm throughout the day. Number 9. Daily dish upkeep. The state of your kitchen sink can significantly impact the overall cleanliness of your kitchen. Maintain a clutter-free and inviting kitchen by embracing the lazy girl hack of daily dish upkeep. A sink full of dishes tends to snowball into a mess, affecting the entire kitchen's appearance. By keeping up with daily dishwashing, you prevent this cascade effect, ensuring a consistently clean and organized kitchen. Number 10. Organizing batteries in a box. Never hunt for batteries again with this lazy yet practical hack. Get a small box and store your batteries in it. This straightforward solution keeps all your batteries in one accessible place, eliminating the need to search around the house when you need them. Whether it's for a remote control or a kid's toy, having a designated box for batteries ensures you're always prepared. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Number 11. Decluttering as you go. Whether waiting for your food to heat in the microwave or preparing to leave the house, take a moment to assess and declutter. Open that utensil drawer or shoe cabinet and quickly identify items you no longer need. By integrating decluttering into your existing activities, you stay ahead of clutter without investing additional time or effort. Number 12. Schedule Goodwill pickups. Motivate yourself to declutter by scheduling regular Goodwill pickups. Knowing that someone will collect your items adds a sense of urgency and accountability to the decluttering process. This lazy yet effective hack ensures you have a concrete deadline to gather items for donation. Number 13. Borrow instead of buying. Reduce clutter in your home by adopting the lazy girl habit of borrowing instead of buying. Certain items, like tools, are sporadically used and don't need a permanent spot in your space. Collaborate with friends or neighbors to borrow and share such items. This not only minimizes clutter, but also promotes a sense of community. Number 14. Avoid storing credit card info. Prevent impulsive purchases and keep clutter out of your home by avoiding the storage of credit card information on platforms like Amazon. The simple act of requiring manual entry for each purchase serves as a deterrent against unplanned spending. This effective hack ensures that you pause and reconsider before making a purchase, reducing the influx of unnecessary items into your living space. Number 15. Eliminate bedroom chair clutter. Maintain a clutter-free bedroom by opting for simplicity. Get rid of the bedroom chair. Unless you diligently keep clothing off it, a chair often becomes an additional storage space for clothes. Removing this furniture piece minimizes the temptation to use it as a makeshift wardrobe. This lazy girl hack ensures that your bedroom stays clutter-free without requiring constant tidying up. Number 16. Hanger flip closet trick. Revamp your closet effortlessly with the hanger flip trick. After wearing an item, flip its hanger in the closet. This lazy yet ingenious method helps you identify the clothes you actually wear over time. At the end of the year, take note of the hangers that remain flipped. These signify items you haven't worn. It's an insightful way to declutter your wardrobe based on practical use, ensuring that your closet only houses items you genuinely love and wear. Number 17. Store jeans on hooks. Utilize shower hooks or any available hooks to hang your jeans neatly. This not only saves space, but also allows you to see all your jeans at a glance. No more rifling through a stack and disrupting the order just to find a pair. Before I reveal the top 3 lazy habits for a clutter-free home, let's share some knowledge. Drop your best minimalist habits in the comments below, which might help others learn and grow. Number 18. Toy bin in every room. Simplify the process of managing kids' toys by incorporating a lazy girl habit. Have a designated toy bin in every room with toys. Whether it's the living room or their bedroom, this strategy ensures that toys have a designated home in each space. Kids can easily toss their toys into the bin, promoting independence in tidying up. It's a practical solution that keeps clutter at bay without requiring constant supervision or cleanup. Number 19. Immediate recycling of empty containers. Avoid the accumulation of empty containers in your home by adopting the lazy habit of immediate recycling. Don't procrastinate on disposing of used-up products. Instead, toss them into the recycling bin as soon as they're empty. Whether it's an empty shampoo bottle or a finished cereal box, this approach prevents unnecessary clutter. Number 20. Embrace the robot vacuum. Elevate your lazy habits to the next level with the introduction of a robot vacuum. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to tidy up your floors before using it. These intelligent devices navigate around obstacles, including furniture and rugs, ensuring a thorough cleaning without much intervention. There you have it, 20 lazy habits for a clutter-free home. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.